So you've built a car in Blender. And now you want to animate that car. But Rigacar keeps breaking and it just doesn't work. Here's some quick tips to see how I do it. First, let's prepare our model. You need to clean up the car, so start a new file directory. Delete any excess files you don't need, like I have multiple sets of wheels, so we'll get rid of those. And remove the lights for now, we can add them later. Second, we need to create individual wheels, so apply the mirrors with Ctrl A with a mouse pointer over it, duplicate one of the wheels, press P for a new selection, rename it, and remove the old vertices from the previous layer. You should have 4 layers for wheels. Now parent the brakes to these wheels. Join all the layers with Ctrl J so that you have 4 wheel layers and a body layer. Now go and check all your world origins are correct. They're probably not. First, click origins on here, then click the wheel and the brakes. Go into edit mode, select all, Shift S and cursor to selection. Back into object mode, press Shift S again, selection to cursor, and now your origins are centered to the item that you want. Do this to all 5 layers, wheels and body. And now make sure it's on the ground and facing the right way. Check test with an armature. It needs to be to the left of the Z axis, sat above the X and Y. Y is your forward. Add a Rigacar rig. If you need this add-on, the link's in the description. Then use the mirror tool and line up the bones using the Ctrl S and selection to cursor. Extend the length to match to your wheel and make sure your center bone is in the center, like this. And then manually pair the bones in pose mode to the relative meshes. It's quicker than renaming for the auto feature that never seems to work for me. Now press generate the rig, and huzzah! You've got a working car. Awesome. With mine, I had to reparent the brakes back onto the wheels. Next, download a road or build one. Use the root bone to plot a path and test the speed layout. Next, add a drift layer, and go over one by one and tweak the steering, the tilt, etc. And finally, to add smoke, you could just make the tyres emitters by selecting them and then clicking quick smoke. Now, render it out and you get this. So, thank you for watching, like and subscribe for more. Ciao ciao! And if you just want this car rigged and ready to go, click the link below and you can just download it for free.